Welcome to Learning English at Home. Today, you'll practice real English conversations at the airport, from connecting flights and seat changes to baggage rules and customs inspection. These dialogues will help you speak English confidently while traveling anywhere in the world. Learning tip: listen carefully, repeat every line, and practice speaking both roles, traveler and staff. It's one of the fastest ways to sound natural in English. And don't forget to follow, like, and share to keep improving your English for real-life travel situations. Let's begin our airport English journey, part 5.
Excuse me. Hi. I just arrived from Singapore, and I have a connecting flight to Paris. Could you help me, please?
Of course, sir. Welcome. May I see your passport and boarding pass?
Sure, here they are.
Thank you, Mr. Parker. Let me check your booking. All right, your next flight is Air France 257, departing from Terminal 2E at 5:45 p.m.
Great. Do I need to collect my baggage, or is it checked through to Paris?
It's checked through, so you don't need to pick it up here. You'll collect it when you arrive in Paris.
That's good to know. How do I get to Terminal 2E from here?
Please follow the signs for flight connections. There's a shuttle train downstairs. It takes about 10 minutes.
Perfect. And what time should I be at the gate?
Boarding begins at 5 p.m., so I'd recommend arriving by 4:40 to be safe.
Got it. Is there a lounge I can use while waiting?
Yes, the Sky Lounge is available near Gate 42. You can access it with your Priority Pass card.
Excellent. Oh, one more question. Will I need to go through security again?
Yes, since you're transferring from an international to another international flight, there will be another security screening. Just have your passport and boarding pass ready.
No problem. Thank you for the clear instructions.
My pleasure, Mr. Parker. Would you like me to print a terminal map for you?
That would be great, thank you.
Here you go. Have a pleasant connection and a smooth flight to Paris.
Thanks again. You've been very kind.
You're most welcome, sir. Enjoy your trip.
Key phrases you learned today.
Checking connection.
I have a connecting flight to Paris. Do I need to collect my baggage? How do I get to Terminal 2E?
Timing and boarding.
What time should I be at the gate? Boarding begins at 5 p.m. I'd recommend arriving by 4:40 to be safe.
Extra help.
Is there a lounge I can use? You'll need to go through security again. Would you like me to print a terminal map? Hi there, good afternoon. I was wondering if it's possible to change my seat for this flight.
Good afternoon, sir. Sure, I can check that for you. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you, Mr. Parker. You're currently in seat 32B, which is a middle seat. What kind of seat would you prefer?
If possible, I'd like an aisle seat or maybe a window seat if one's available.
Let me check. We have an aisle seat in row 34 and a window seat in row 41. Which would you like?
I'll take the aisle seat in row 34, please.
Great choice. I'll print your new boarding pass.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Just so you know, boarding will start in about 15 minutes. Business class first, then rows 30 to 45.
Got it. May I ask if there are any extra legroom seats available?
Yes, we have one in the exit row for an additional $50. Would you like to upgrade?
I think I'll stay where I am this time.
No problem at all. Your current seat has good overhead bin space nearby.
Perfect. Also, will you make any announcements for gate changes? I don't want to miss my flight.
Yes, absolutely. We'll announce any changes immediately, and they'll appear on the screen as well.
Great. You've been very helpful.
My pleasure, sir. Here's your new boarding pass for seat 34C. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you. One last question. What time is final boarding?
Final boarding is at 5:35 p.m. Please be at the gate by then.
Got it. Thanks again for your kindness.
You're very welcome, Mr. Parker. Have a pleasant flight.
Key phrases you learned today.
Seat change.
I was wondering if I could change my seat.
I'd prefer an aisle or window seat.
I'll take the aisle seat, please.
Boarding info.
Boarding starts in about 15 minutes.
Final boarding is at 5:35 p.m.
We'll announce any gate changes.
Upgrade option.
Are there any extra legroom seats?
It's available for an additional $50.
I think I'll stay where I am this time.
Good afternoon, sir. May I check the weight of your carry-on bag, please?
Sure, no problem. Here you go.
Thank you. It's showing 10.5 kilograms. The limit for carry-on baggage is 7 kilograms for this flight.
Oh, I didn't realize it was that strict. It was fine on my previous flight.
Yes, some airlines have different limits. For this one, it's 7 kilograms and 1 personal item.
I see. Is there any way I can still bring it on board?
If it's only a little over, sometimes we allow it, but this one is more than 3 kilograms overweight. You have two options: repack some items into your smaller bag, or check this one in.
What's the fee for checking it in?
It's $35 for additional baggage.
All right. I think I'll move some heavier things into my backpack. Is that okay?
Yes, of course. You can repack over there at the counter. I'll call you when you're ready.
Thank you for letting me fix it. I'll be quick. Okay, I've taken out my laptop and charger. Let's try again.
Perfect. Now it's 6.9 kilograms. That's within the limit.
Great. Thank you so much for being patient.
My pleasure. It happens all the time. You can board now through gate 14.
Awesome. Just to confirm, my backpack is okay as a personal item, right?
Yes, that's fine, as long as it fits under the seat in front of you.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
You're very welcome, Mr. Parker. Have a wonderful flight.
Thanks. You too. Well, have a great day.
Thank you. Safe travels.
Key phrases you learned today.
Checking weight.
May I check the weight of your carry-on? The limit is 7 kilograms. It's 10.5 kilograms, a bit over the limit.
Options and solutions.
You can repack some items or check this bag in. What's the fee for checking it in? I'll move my laptop and charger into my backpack.
Politeness and confirmation.
Thank you for being patient. Is my backpack okay as a personal item? Have a wonderful flight.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Officer Grace from Customs. This is a routine inspection. May I see your passport, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you, Mr. Parker. Did you arrive on flight AF 257 from Paris?
Yes, that's right.
Are you carrying any goods to declare, such as food, alcohol, or large sums of cash?
No, I don't have any of those. Just some souvenirs and clothes.
All right. Could you please open your suitcase for a quick inspection?
Sure, no problem.
Thank you. What's inside this small box?
That's a music box I bought in France. Just a gift for my sister.
It's lovely. Any electronics or new devices purchased overseas?
I bought a pair of wireless headphones, but they're for personal use.
That's fine. Personal items under $800 are duty-free.
Good to know. I wasn't sure about the limit.
No worries. Are you carrying any cash or traveler's checks over $10,000 US?
No, just about $500 in cash and one credit card.
Perfect. Everything looks fine so far. May I check your backpack as well?
Of course.
All clear. Thank you. You're free to go.
Thank you, Officer Grace. You were very kind.
My pleasure, sir. It's our job to make sure everything follows the regulations.
I appreciate that. It's good to see everything so organized.
Thank you. Here's your passport back. Welcome to the country, Mr. Parker, and enjoy your stay.
Thanks a lot. Have a great day.
You too, sir.
Key phrases you learned today. Basic questions.
Are you carrying any goods to declare? Please open your suitcase for inspection. Any electronics or new devices purchased overseas?
Declarations and limits. Personal items under $800 are duty-free. Are you carrying over 10,000 US dollars? Just about 500 in cash and one credit card. Polite conversation. You're free to go. Thank you, officer. You were very kind. Welcome to the country. Enjoy your stay. Excellent work. You've learned how to handle advanced airport English, from finding connecting flights to dealing with baggage, seat changes, and customs checks. Learning tip: repeat these dialogues aloud and use them when you travel. Confidence comes from practice, one conversation at a time. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more real English speaking and listening practice every week. See you in the next Travel English series, and safe journeys ahead.